Kutools for Outlook, instantly count contact group members in Outlook. Effortlessly count distribution list members using the information feature of Kutools for Outlook. Managing contact groups in Outlook can be tricky, especially when you need to know the exact number of members in a distribution list. Outlook's native tools offer no direct way to count members, leaving users to rely on manual or complex VBA methods. But with Kutools for Outlook's information feature, you can instantly count contact group members with just one click. Please note, to apply the information utility of Kutools for Outlook, don't forget to download and install Kutools for Outlook first. First, click on the People icon in the navigation pane. And open the contact group you want to analyze in Outlook. Then go to the Kutools tab on the ribbon. And click Information. A window will immediately display the total number of members in the group, along with the creation date and last modification date. Kutools for Outlook with more than 100 essential and advanced features. Explore the new, free version today.